Welcome students. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the basic features of Microsoft Office Lens app in document scanning using mobile camera, along with how to create PDF file from the scanned documents. So first we need to install Office Lens app from Play Store. Click on install. After installation of the Office Lens app, start Office Lens by clicking on the app icon Office Lens. Allow Office Lens to access photos, media and files on your device. Next screen also you click on allow. Now press start scanning option. This is the privacy screen. Click on next. And in this screen, getting better together, you can click on any of the option accept and send optional data, as well as you can click on don't send optional data. I'm going to select don't send optional data and then click on close. So after installation of the Office Lens app, the first screen that is presented to us is a camera view on top part of the screen, and bottom part of the screen contains one big round press button or a capture button followed by series of options, namely whiteboard, document, business card and photo. We need to select whiteboard option. I repeat it again, select whiteboard and not any other option here. After selection of whiteboard option, the first step is focus your mobile camera on the document which you want to scan, something like this. Once your hand and focus stabilizes, press the big round button, that is the capture button. Ensure that there is minimum or no movement of your hand as well as the document page which you are scanning. Now I am pressing capture button. Now we will see the second step. Once we press capture button, we are presented with our scanned document with adjust borders and 8 small circles. These circles we can drag to adjust the content that we want to keep in our final scanned document. You can adjust it the way you want, or depending on how much content you want to keep in your final scanned page. Adjust this properly and then press confirm. If you want to scan some more pages, then click on add new option. Follow the same procedure that was explained in step 1 and step 2 for all the pages that you want to scan. Once you complete adding all the pages, tap one button next to capture button. It is indicated with number of pages that you have scanned so far. Swipe through these pages and verify whether all your scanned pages are added and whether they are in proper sequence. This is my first page. This is the second page. If you want to make any modification to the scanned document, then make use of the options that are listed on top portion of the screen. Here, the first option is for deleting the selected or current page from the document. Right now I don't want to delete it, so I'll select cancel. Second option is for cropping or readjusting the content to be incorporated in the final document. For example, the second page, if I want to add the bottom portion of the page also, then I can drag it so that entire page content is selected. Then press confirm. Third option can be used if you want to rotate the scanned page. Use this option only if orientation of page is not proper. Now see the fourth option. It contains list of scan formats. If you have not selected whiteboard option in the beginning, you can set the page to whiteboard format here. Ensure that you select whiteboard either in the beginning before starting the scan or while using this option here. And the next option is text option. Use this option only if you need to add some text into the scan page. You can type the text that you want to insert inside the scan page. Then you can decide the position where you want to display it. Or if you're just experimenting with it, you can delete it. The last circle help you to decide the way this text is going to appear on the page. So just click on that last circle with letter A and see how it gets formatted. Students, kindly remember, these options are to be used only if you require to format your scan pages. Once you complete the scanning and formatting, tap on Done button. Now you are presented with a screen where you need to type the title of the file. Next option is Save To. You select PDF format. The first option gallery you can uncheck and click on Save. So this creates your PDF file with all the pages that you have scanned.